If you want to change the look of your Discord messages and make them stand out with colored and styled text, this video is for you. Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create colored and styled text in Discord without using bots or mods, using a simple free website. Discord doesn't support real text colors by default, but you can easily fake it using one tool. First, go to rebane2001.com, then choose Discord Colored Text Generator. Type your message in the input box, then choose the text color, choose a background color if you want, and you can even make the text bold. The website will automatically convert your message into a Discord-ready format. Now, copy the Discord output, but not the preview, and paste it directly into your Discord chat. You'll see your message styled and looking different from normal text. Keep in mind, background colors are preview only on the website, because Discord itself doesn't support real background colors, but the generated text formatting always works perfectly in Discord servers, DMs, and bios. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Discord tips, and comment what style you want next.